food. Why not eating?
Sorry, there's been a lot of stress at work recently.
I don't want any excuses. Can you just be honest with me?
Look.
You've been acting off with me all day.
Sorry, I've had a tough day at work. Especially the thing with Cassio. You know the thing you asked me about?
Fucking Cassio.
You keep bringing it up. That's why...
You're the one that just brought up... What's your issue then? Please address it. I'm not sleeping with him.
I bet you are.
I don't want to speak about this with you here. If you want to speak about it, we'll speak it at home. I'm not speaking it here. We're having a nice meal.
God.
Can we not make a scene? We're in a restaurant with people. I don't want
Don't
people listening.
care. Okay. But that's him. You're always fucking talking to him.
Can you tone it down?
Why? I bet you wouldn't...
I've been really trying,
Bet you'd always talk to Cassio, would you? And yet, when it comes to me and you, there's no communication. None at all. I bet that's him. Look, I can't just re-employ him. He did a lot of... He made an error, okay? And I understand that, but... Look. It's not something that just happens easily, okay? I know you're his best friend.
And that's all. That's all we ever were, best friends, until you intruded in your suspicions about everything.
Look, Iaga's been telling me a lot of stuff, okay? And just with all these rumours going around, it's getting tough. Okay?
Stop making a massive scene in front of everyone.
I don't give a fuck about making a scene, okay? Are you sleeping with him?
I can't believe this.
I need to know.
I
I need
can't
to know. Where's the ring I gave you? The one that was my mum's.
It's in the bathroom. I left it in the bathroom.
You're my wife. You don't just I bet you look. Why is it on Cassio's hand, huh? Where did Cassio has it, huh? You gonna answer me that? No? Are you not? Such a fucking liar.
I'm not
Of
lying.
course you've been sleeping with...
No, I haven't. Well, because of who said it?
He told me everything about it.
I'm sick and tired of you accusing me all the time of sleeping with Cassio.
Thank you.